my channel. If you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe my channel. So friends, in this video I'm going to explain you how to use different classes available in DateTime library. So in previous videos I have explained about usage of date. Now I will explain you about how to use time and also the combined properties of date and time, because if when we use date class we can only access with the date and month and year. Okay, day, month, year we can operate, but you cannot operate with hours and minutes and seconds, right? Now if you want to do that, you need to operate with the time class now, and also we can access both date and time also, so that is also possible. Now let us see, I'm going to explain you clearly in this video how to do that. So first of all we need to import date time. Okay, then let me create first day equal to, so date time dot date dot today. So this gives me like what is exactly today's date. So now I will write it as print d, right? So now if I run this, I will run this. So if I run this, then the output is today's date, that is 2nd November 2023. It's correct. Okay, now let me say, for example, now I want to enjoy the features of time. Okay, but this is giving me only year, month and date, but it is not giving the current time. So for that, what I'll do is I will say t, so t equal to date time dot, now here instead of date I'll use time. Okay, now time, so this here I can give hours. So for example, let me say it is 7 hours, let me say 34 minutes, then 59 seconds, then 333 milliseconds. Okay, microseconds. It also takes in microseconds. Okay, so now here, so if I write print t, now this gives me, let us see what kind of output we get. So this is giving me the date separately because we have printed the date, then using time function we have accessed the current time. Okay, it's not current time, so just we have given the input time. So now here we are able to get the time related things using date time dot time and date related things using date time dot date. So now, but I want to enjoy both the features, so what I'll do is, so I'll create another variable dt, where here I'll use DateTime dot DateTime. Okay, DateTime dot DateTime. So this allows me to give all the things. For example, I can give date also, so 23, then 11, then 2nd November. Now I can give the date also, so 7, 34, 59, 333 microseconds. Okay, so now if I ask to print dt also, now this dt will include everything. So if I run this, yeah, so now you see, so date is giving only the date, time is giving only the time, but when I use date time dot date time, it is giving all the properties. Okay, so means we can operate with the years, we can operate with the month, date, and also hours, minutes, seconds, and also microseconds. It is like this. So because Python, it includes microseconds also. So now in this you can access the individual feature, for example dt dot year, dt dot month, like that. So you can access the date, you can access the month, you can access the hours, whatever it is. Okay, so like this, if you want to enjoy the features of only date, use datetime dot date. If you want to enjoy the features of only time, then use datetime dot time. And if you need to use all the properties of related to date and time, you have to use the datetime dot datetime. Thank you friends.